New archaeological evidence suggests that prehistoric warfare in Europe was not only violent, but also deeply ritualized. A recent study by researchers from the University of Oxford reveals that Neolithic conflicts often ended with brutal victory celebrations, involving executions and the taking of human body parts as trophies. The research focuses on mass graves discovered in the Alsace region of northeastern France, specifically at Achenheim and Bergheim. These sites date back to approximately 4300–4150 BCE. Archaeologists uncovered full human skeletons showing signs of extreme and repeated violence, alongside pits containing severed left upper limbs. This unusual combination differs from known Neolithic massacres and suggests the violence had symbolic and social meaning rather than being purely practical. To understand who these victims were, scientists used multi-isotope analysis on bones and teeth. This method reveals information about diet, mobility, and long-term physical stress. The results showed that many of the victims were not local to the region. They had different dietary patterns and signs of greater mobility, indicating they were likely outsiders or captives. The isotope data also revealed a clear distinction between victims. The severed limbs carried local isotopic signatures, suggesting they belonged to local enemies killed in battle. In contrast, the individuals buried holophans showing signs of torture came from more distant regions. This pattern supports the idea of a two-tiered ritual. Local enemies were dismembered, and their limbs were taken as trophies, while non-local captives were subjected to violent executions. Researchers interpret these acts as a form of early political theater designed to demonstrate power, reinforce social bonds, and intimidate rival groups. The findings challenge the long-standing belief that Neolithic violence was random or disorganized. Instead, they show that warfare, ritual, and social identity were closely linked, even in Europe's earliest farming societies.